How to change payment method in Netflix. To change your payment method on Netflix, you need to follow the steps. So you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll have to log in from your web browser. So check your internet connection. Make sure that you're already logged in from your web browser. So on the web address bar, type in netflix.com. Don't worry about the link. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. In order to make changes or update your payment method, you need to access your account. So for that, go ahead and tap on the try bar icon located right on top in the left hand side bar. After that, you need to click on account. It's going to direct you to the account information page. Right over here, you can see that all of your information is over here. So in order to make changes with your payment method, go ahead and tap on manage payment info. Now this is going to direct you to the manage info page. You'll be able to see all of your information. In order to make changes with your payment method, click on add payment method first of all. After that, enter in the new card details such as your card information, that could be your name on the card, the billing address, all that. After you've done adding the secondary one, you can make changes with that. So first of all, if you want to remove the current payment method, you need to go to this page, click on the edit button. After that, it's going to direct you to the page. Click on the I agree button here, and that is how you can change your payment method in Netflix. Also make sure that you're doing on your billing date, which means that if you already have a subscription on this particular account, make sure not to change your payment method, because as soon as you change your payment method, this is going to unsubscribe all your premium and you'll not be able to access your premium account. So in this way, you can change your payment method in Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.